Today we're going to be making a smoky aubergine and red pepper chili with parmesan fried egg and some focaccia with pickled ginger. We're going to be using the solid top side of the ESSE. Woo! These are browning beautifully. My onions have got a little bit of golden colour. I'm going to add some chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of ground coriander and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And I can smell that already. You can see how nice and soft these are. Literally 5 minutes that's taken. Here are the peppers that I was roasting earlier. I'll just let these cool. This is a dried chilli that I've soaked, along with 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, a heaped teaspoon and a half of brown sugar, and also a splash of balsamic vinegar. And then I've got 2 cans of kidney beans and a tin of chopped tomatoes. And then I shall add all of the red peppers and the juices from the tray and the aubergines. And then I'm going to pop a lid on this and just let this simmer for 20 minutes. It's just such a lovely cozy environment, so it's just fantastic for proofing dough. And I've got a little bit of pickled ginger here that I'm just going to push into my bread. So I'm just letting that heat up to 220. With the new stainless steel ovens, the heating up time is shorter. Straight in the oven, and then I'm going to finish the chili. I've got some fresh spinach here, some chopped parsley and coriander. So look at that. And I've got a nice chili and shallot olive oil mix. I'm just going to grill them to get a nice extra flavour. I'm going to grate quite a generous bit of parmesan, and then I'm just going to crack an egg on the top. Just going to let that fry slowly. Super easy to make. Parmesan egg, and then pickled red onions with a little bit of sugar, white wine vinegar and some salt. This is absolutely delicious.